What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and on today's video we're going to be working on Kuzos 2019 Honda Accord. Sorry for Kuzos making all this noise, man. But we all know Kuzos been started on these mods.
Everybody that's following Kuzos,
everybody's been, you know, they watch the videos of my car and we're so Kuzos, man. When Kuzos doing this, you know, we've been kind of pushing them and we got him out. So he's actually got the ACR front lip as well, the Yofer one. Well, I guess it's two different names, but this is the Yofer. Same thing as mine. So it's already comes pre-painted. So this is the one that goes with those like black fins, like that. So I know we already kind of did a video on this on my car, but of course we want to have everything on video for my car and Kuzos' car, and of course my brother's and wife's car. So,
like I said, I've been busy. I've been on yacht parties, boats and hoes. I've been busy.
Yeah, man, Kuzos busy, man. I told him about 2 weeks ago. I said this week coming up.
He's like, I need you.
We shooting videos. There's no more kid parties, nothing going on. So we finally did my brother's wife's sunlight, and now we're gonna do front lip on Kuzos' car. But you know, Kuzos gonna be a little extra with his car. He's gonna take off his bumper and you know, the whole shebang. And for my car, he just put it on. So yeah, boys, let's get to it.
Yep. See, I actually told Kuzos that I was gonna do this to Kuzos to see what he would say.
And mine, he ain't good shit. He said, it's good, Kuzos, put it on. Let's go.
It's a learning curve for me, you know. That's the first time doing it.
Even though we did 2 lips on my car, he still didn't take no bumpers off.
I ain't taking it off. I'm fucking.
Yeah, boys, let's get to it. Fast.
Alright, guys, so this is Kuzos' like 5th or 6th lip he's installing on the Accord. We're making a wager here. We're gonna time him. Noe's saying he's taking how long?
I said 45 minutes. Kuzos said 35 minutes.
Kuzos saying 35 minutes is gonna take him. Noe said 45.
We just found something out. Is it gonna take longer now?
Yeah, because I gotta tape everything.
Yeah.
Alright, so retime.
On mine, my lip, the black piece goes over this. And there's like a little, I don't know what you would call it, like a little tab. And you screw it on, and that's it. Screw it on, there's like 2 or 3 screws. But on this one, I believe this one's from High Rev, I can't be wrong, but this one's all double-sided tape. So it's a little different than mine. So, we'll see how long. I'm gonna say, I'll stick with 45.
45 minutes?
Yeah, I think Kuzos might say an hour.
How much longer, Kuzos?
I still say 45.
35, Kuzos?
Think so?
That's what you said.
Maybe.
Alright, Kuzos 35 minutes. Noe's 45 minutes.
You?
Well, y'all are just 5 minutes apart.
No, 10 minutes apart, fool.
No, he said 35.
And I said 45.
I'm tripping. No, you said, okay, 45 and 35, I'm tripping.
What do you say?
55 minutes.
10 minutes, 8 minutes.
55 minutes. Alright, let me set the timer here, boys.
Timer's about to start.
Just a second.
Let it rip, take a chip.
Well, actually, a stopwatch. Alright. We started. Let's see, boys.
Alright, boys. So on Kuzos' lip, on this one from High Rev, it's a little different from mine. I actually got mine off of eBay, and I believe it's from Custom Tuning. I could be wrong, but I got it from them. So all it is on mine, we just screw in from the back, right, Kuzos? Mm-hmm. You screw in. That's what these tabs are here for. And then there's tabs, I believe, on this black piece on the inside. But on that one, on the one from High Rev, you could tell like they broke it off or something, and they didn't want you to double tape this piece, which Kuzo doesn't like.
Honestly, it's crap.
Yeah, Kuzo doesn't like it. I don't like it personally, just because if the don't come off, this can come off. You know what I mean? Those screws is holding it. So, yeah. So right now, Kuzo's putting on double-sided tape on.
A lot of
Yeah, a
double-sided
lot of
tape.
double-sided tape on the actual white piece and on this piece. Both the pieces, Kuzo, just on that one.
On both.
On both. So he's putting it on here, around the edges, all around here, and he's also putting it on this black piece. So
that I think this set us back some time.
Yeah, this set us back some time because honestly we thought it was gonna be screws. Because if it was just screws, it was just boom, 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 and that's it. That would have been it for this piece, and I would have just focused on the middle piece. But yeah.
Time check.
Time check.
25 minutes in. So yeah, I think we're all gonna be wrong on our timing just because of this little thing we got going on.
Yeah. Cool. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Ahí está.
Did yours go on easy, Kuzo?
Kind of.
Robert's on.
I still need a lot.
Huh?
I still need a lot.
How much?
Come on. There. Yeah. What do you think? Honestly, guys, I don't think Kuzo gives two craps about this car.
I don't give a shit about the lip, dude. The lip just pissing me off.
Yeah. Besides, man, because we do mess with high rev a lot, and this one, I don't know what happened.
I'm just gonna go on the record and say high rev. Just probably paying all that money for quality and they're giving me shit.
Yeah, this one is. The other Yofer lips might be good, but this one, I don't know.
Alright, let me put the double sided
I got mine on eBay. Same exact thing. Same exact thing and cheaper.
Yep. Fucking crap.
Alright, boys, tape is on. Time to put on.
Make sure you grab the tape from the top of it.
Take it off?
No, I just put it, pull it out so you can grab it. You have enough room to pull it?
Both?
Yeah. And then I'm one on this side.
Just one on that side too, Kuzo? Your tape down there?
Yeah,
Oh, you got it.
You want Kuzo?
No.
Let me see. Can you grab that tape from the back there? Is that side coming off, Kuzo?
No.
Feel it?
This feel better now. But, yeah.
Back it up a little bit and get some shots.
We gotta screw it in, Kuzo.
Yeah, I'm gonna back it up so I can jack it up.
Huh.
Should we do a time check or you think we're way off?
We're way off.
We're not done.
I know. I'm saying you want to just check. Time check.
We're at like 45.
Well, it's on. He just needs to do some more screws.
Yeah, we just gotta screw it in from the bottom. So the middle piece. And that'll be it. Everything else is already on there.
And I did just do a time check and we're at 48 minutes.
We're at 48 minutes. I think if it wasn't for that, I think we would have been
Okay.
35, 40 maybe.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So I don't think I did say 55 minutes. I don't know if he's gonna make it, but it looks real good.
Yeah, the white and black.
Mm-hmm.
White and black again.
All right,
And we
guys.
still gotta slam the front.
So Kuzos done, and this is the time.
54 minutes.
54 minutes.
We're off.
I said 55.
So Vic was right. Yeah, I think if we wouldn't have to do the tape on those black pieces, we could
I
have
would have cut that in half,
did
maybe.
45, maybe 40. Yeah.
But there it is, boys.
Oh yeah, it looks sick.
And it's about 190, 100 degrees out here. What? She's done.
Yep, because I got his mind, huh?
Think I have a hard time getting out?
Yeah, because gonna have a harder time getting on his driveway. Well, no, you should be all right, but
Let's
it's a bit
see.
hard. Like I said, we still gotta slam the front.
That was close. That was close.
Why you like this? Alright boys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Because we got his new front lip on it, we had little, like I said, little things that we had to do with this lip from high rev. But because I knocked it out, so hopefully those pieces don't fly off. But because I already has a plan for it, if they fly off, then he's gonna just tape it off and repaint those pieces black, and that'll be that. So yeah, definitely looks good. And Kuzos also has, well, I'll let y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna say what else. I'm sure y'all pretty sure y'all kind of already know. But yeah, Kuzos already has another model for it. We just need to go pick it up and put them on as well. So yeah, boys, stay tuned for that video as well. And as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Sauce.
Peace out.